Hello, in this video I will show how we can grow a list of names automatically using data validation in Excel. So let me show how we can get this done. Okay, so let me show it. So first I will create a list using name manager. So I will click on name manager, I will create new, and then I will give it a name. Okay, and then here in the range I will give it like this. Okay, let me show. Fine. Right, now I will go in data and I will click on data validation. Okay, after that I will click on list, then here I will put equal to guest underscore names. The name manager list we created using name manager. Okay, click on OK. See, now if I will add a new name here, let's say I am adding Tapasya Arya. So you will see it has already been added in this list. You will see, if let's say I am adding Mini Jain. Okay, Mini Jain, and let's say I am adding Khitan. Okay, so let me show you. See, the new names has already been put in this list. Okay, see how did we get this done? So we went to name manager, click a new table using a name manager. This is the table name, guest names. Okay, then we will go into data and we will go into data validation, and we will select list, and in the source we will put the name of the table which we created using name manager. Okay, fine.